Hey traders, welcome back. It is Monday, February 2nd. Hope you all had a good weekend and had some good trades today. I did really well on SPY today, so that was wonderful. Let's get right into the news. So Wall Street just wrapped up the first trading day of February with solid gains across the board as investors shook off last week's precious metals chaos and refocused on what really matters: strong manufacturing data and corporate earnings momentum. The markets closed with the S&P 500 adding 37 points to finish at 6,976, up 0.5% and sitting near all-time highs. The Dow surged 515 points higher to close at 49,407, gaining just over 1%. And the Nasdaq climbed 0.56% to end at 23,592. Small caps had an even better day with the Russell 2000 jumping 1%. So what was the catalyst behind today's rally? Well, one thing was manufacturing data that absolutely crushed expectations. The ISM manufacturing PMI came in at 52.6, which was way above the 48.5 forecasted, marking the first expansion in factory activity in 12 months and the strongest reading since August of 2022. New orders jumped to 57.1, the highest level in nearly 4 years, signaling real momentum building in the industrial sector heading into the new year. Tech stocks led the charge today, with Apple jumping over 4%, AMD climbing nearly 5%, and Micron surging more than 5%. Transportation stocks hit a fresh all-time high, up roughly 2% on the day. But on the flip side, Nvidia slipped around 2% amid uncertainty over its stalled $100 billion OpenAI investment deal. In a major development that moved markets late in the session, Trump announced a trade deal with India. The U.S. will cut tariffs on Indian goods from 25% down to 18%, while India agreed to stop buying Russian oil and purchase over $500 billion in American energy, technology, and agriculture products. Markets push higher on the news as the deal eases trade tensions between the two major economies. Precious metals continue to stabilize after Friday's historic sell-off. Silver fell another 5% today to around $80 per ounce, but that's a massive improvement from Friday's 28% single-day plunge, which was the worst decline on record. Bitcoin dropped below 80,000 for the first time since April as investors continue trimming risk following last week's sharp commodity declines. One important note for this week: the January jobs report that was scheduled for Friday has been delayed due to the ongoing government shutdown. So we'll just have to wait for that critical employment data until funding resumes. Looking ahead, we've got a massive week of tech earnings this week, with Amazon reporting tomorrow and Alphabet dropping results on Wednesday. So definitely pay attention to those two names. Wall Street will be watching closely to see if these mega cap names can continue the strong earnings momentum we saw in January. Manufacturing strength, solid corporate profits, and easing trade tensions set a constructive tone as we kick off February. So it was a good day. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Again, hope you had a good day of trades today, and enjoy your evening. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody.